joining me. This is a very, very short summary recap of our beginners solo Paso Doble practice routine number 2. Now, I taught this on the 28th of December 21, just a few months ago. It's now April 22. I had a little bit of a backlog of recordings to do, and I had a few that corrupted as I was uploading everything. So here we are. Now, this is actually quite a simple routine. It was a recap, and we hadn't done the Paso Doble in our beginners online classes for such a long time. I have brand new people in the class. So you actually might find that beginner solo routine 2 is actually a bit easier, maybe, than beginner solo routine 1. Routine 1 was quite long. Okay, this one's a little bit shorter, so you might want to look at 1 and 2 in the opposite direction, but hey ho, let's go. Okay, so we had marking time on the spot. We were going to puff out our chest, we were going to hold our bolero jacket, and we were going to present ourselves. We were going to do our circular walks around into the arena. Other hand. So again, on this one, we were working a little bit more on the shaping and the character. We were adding that in. So we're doing 8 counts. This is the last set of 8. Okay, we're back on the spot. Now from here, I'm going to do a little stamp, over, come together. Okay, so I'm just moving a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's it. Sliding forwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I added in a couple of little side drags. Side, drag, side, drag. And then we added in a couple of chassis. Side and side, side and side, and then I did my little flamenco taps or Spanish taps, and I did them slowly. Down and up, down, come up. You can adjust the hands to whatever you feel like. I prefer to do 2 down, and I like to pull back here, but you don't have to do that. You can pull down, and you can pull 1 in front, 1 behind, okay? But I did it slowly, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. I've got a left foot lead in this dance, so I'm going to start everything with a left foot march. Take it from the very top. 16 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and up. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Walk forwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go, guys. It was a lot more simple, a lot shorter routine, practice routine number 2 on our solo beginners Paso Doble. Like I said, routine 1 was a bit longer. Guys, thank you so much for watching me. If you're watching this in my video library, thank you so much for supporting me. If you're watching this on YouTube, remember to hit the subscribe and the notification button, and you may also want to check out the links below. Head over to my membership. I have a free members area on my website. You just have to create yourself a little login. You can look at many things for free, and then I also have my paid video channels if you want to take it one step further. Thank you so much for supporting me. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.